What's up, my beautiful entrepreneurs? Now this is a face mask I can get behind. This is a lightweight, soft face mask. It's a gel-like face mask and it's cost effective. Now I have a very special ingredient within this formula that you don't want to miss. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. So now this is going to be a rose water gel face mask. I know gel face masks are really popular and people like to have something that's very lightweight. Now with this rose water, this is really going to take this formula over the top. I love this gel face mask. Now let's get into the ingredients. So first up, we're going to have xanthan gum. Now, xanthan gum really plays as more of a stabilizer and emulsified products, but it's also a thickener and a texture enhancer. So xanthan gum is really important in this gel mask because this is where we're going to get the gel-like consistency for this mask. Now, next up is going to be glycerin. Now, glycerin is a great product to use because it helps to draw in moisture from the air to your skin. And now this is really important, especially with face masks, because this is something that you're going to be wearing for a short period of time, but it's going to help to moisturize your face. It's going to seep into your pores and really help to work in those added benefits with the face mask. Now glycerin, while yes, you may be washing this face mask off, the glycerin within this product will help to draw in that needed moisture. Then we're going to be using niacinamide in this formula as well. Now this is also known as vitamin B3, but what's really great about niacinamide is that it helps to reduce the appearance of pores, it helps to brighten up your skin as well. So this is a really great product to use in a face mask. Now we're also going to be using rose water. Now rose water, this is going to be the water content within this formula. Now if you decide that you don't want to use this much rose water, you can definitely take that out and use distilled water instead, and use a combination of both so that it can be a little bit lighter in this formula. But rose water here, I'm going to be using this as my water content. Now rose water is created by distilling rose petals with steam, so it creates that rose water and you still get that nice fresh aroma. Rose water can be very perfumey. It is a bit of a strong smell, but I think that it smells very fresh. I don't think that it's very overpowering, especially for something that you're going to be using on your face and just having on there for a short period of time and washing off. Now the antibacterial properties within rose water does help with acne and any inflammation that you may be having on your face. It helps to again reduce the look of pores on your face, and so it really helps to also clear your acne and help with any dark spots that you may have as well. Now when it comes to this product, you definitely want to have a preservative, and that's going to be the next ingredient. Now this is very important because again, this is a water-based formula, so you want to have preservatives to help extend the shelf life of this product, and you want to make sure that it is a water-soluble preservative. Now for our very special ingredient, we are going to be using Kojic Acid. Kojic acid is a very important ingredient, especially if you're dealing with any hyperpigmentation issues. Now I know that this is an issue that I've had with my skin, where I will have like different dark areas or like, you know, dark spots on my skin, and using Kojic acid has really helped to clear my skin, along with adding it with the niacinamide. It really helps to brighten up my skin and get rid of any of the dark spots that I am having. So Kojic acid is a very important ingredient. Now when it comes to Kojic acid, it does have a usage rate of 1%. I would be very careful with using Kojic acid because it is a very strong acid. This is something that you want to definitely patch test and use on a small part of your body, see how your skin will react to the Kojic acid. So now let's get into putting this whole formula together. The first thing that you want to do is to take your xanthan gum and your glycerin and add them together and kind of create a little slur in your jar. You want to make sure that you're allowing those both to mix together, and using the glycerin to do that will make it a lot easier for it to disperse within the water mixture. From here, now you're going to take your Kojic acid, the niacinamide, and your rose water and combine those those together. You'll notice that that's going to mix in easily, and you'll just set that mixture to the side. So now you're going to want to add the xanthan gum and your rose water mixture. So you want to make sure that you are pouring in the rose water mixture into the glycerin mixture that you made prior to. And as you're adding it, you want to just mix it to help the xanthan gum and the glycerin to mix properly into your product. Now, after everything has mixed properly, now you can add in your preservative. Again, make sure that it is a water-soluble preservative. Now, from here, I'm also going to be adding in mica. Now, I'm adding in a very small amount of mica to this product because I just wanted to have a little bit of pink color to it, a very light pink color to it, to really resemble the rose that we already have going on with the gel as well. So I'm going to be adding in a little bit of the color. Now, I really enjoy this product. It's really lightweight, it's super easy to use. And so what I do when I'm using this product is I'll just add a thin layer to my face, and I'll allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will wash it off. Now, this is a product that you can honestly use in combination with your lotion or with your serum. This is something that you can keep on your face long term. When it comes to the overall cost of this is going to be a very cost-effective face mask. Now, the most expensive ingredient that you're honestly going to see here is your rose water. Now, something that I did realize is that Amazon does not have a really great selection of rose water, especially in a cost-effective way. I noticed that a lot of times that with the rose water that they have other additives, so it's rose water and glycerin, or it's rose water and something else that's added together. And in this formula, I just wanted to use pure rose water. Now, you can find the rose water on Amazon, but it's going to be a lot more expensive. You're only getting 4 ounces, and it's around $8 to $10. Now, you can find rose water on bulk websites like Brambleberry, and they'll have rose water for 14 to 16 ounces for around $15 to $20. I think Brambleberry had it for around $20. And it's still more cost effective than buying it off of Amazon, in my opinion. So you can definitely get it in a cheaper form. But overall, when you're making this mask, I was able to make it for under $5. Now, you are only making this for 2 ounces. You don't need to make a big jar of this to sell. I wouldn't sell this over 4 ounces, honestly, as a product. You can also use this as a giveaway product as well if you prefer. You can have a 1 ounce jar that you use as a giveaway or a freebie product, or you can sell it and have it as a 2 ounce jar or maybe a 4 ounce jar. But I think having a 2 ounce jar would be the nice sweet spot when it comes to this product. If you want to try out this face mask, I'll have the formula card right here for you. Go ahead and take a screenshot so you can try it out for yourself. Now, face masks are a really great cost-effective product to add to your skincare line. Now, if you're still looking for products that are going to be cost-effective and great to add to your skincare line this year, watch this video here where I discuss great products that you can add to your skincare line that are going to be cost-effective and easy to make. And I'll catch you in the next one.